Today we have the 2023 Seat Arona. This vehicle has done just under 4,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. On the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration, navigation and assist, full link, media, our vehicle settings and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control.